Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are in a heck of a project again. What'd you get us into, Vicki?
We're gonna trim some trees. They're broken.
This is our mess. We're gonna trim all of this stuff up, and this tree over here did not fare very well beginning of the season or last winter because of the heavy snow and the winds and everything. It broke it all off. So, yeah.
Gonna get that trimmed up.
So we're gonna get that trimmed up, and then we're gonna blow all this off. Pool area is not too bad, but we're just gonna spiffy it all up, make it all look nice. And those were from the front of the house that the homeowners brought in, so we got to trim all them up or cut them all up too. So let's get started on this.
I found my heart again. You were standing there, you bravely let me in. I could wait a million years or more until you came knocking at my door. It's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games. I found a star in you, always guiding me to where my words are true. I've waited a million years before, and I'll do it all again just to make sure. Yeah, it's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games. Yeah, it's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games. Oh,
Okay, this mess turned out pretty good. We spent a lot more time than I was planning on spending here, but at least this is all done. Coming to fall, leaves won't be piling up in there as bad, and everything is all cut out of there now. And you can see why my chainsaw is dull all the time, because I'm always running in the dirt doing stuff like this. Then we cleaned up all the branches that were from the front of the house that the homeowners brought in. That's all cleaned up. We just got a couple bad spots right here, but a couple times mowing it, it'll mulch up nice, and this yard will be good to go for the rest of the summer. So what you saying, Vicki?
He did it to me again. Oh man.
Yeah, we're supposed to be easing into this. There's no easing into this. We're just busting it all the way up. I don't know what the hell's going on here.
Well, a few weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, we did the front yard, and we were here like an hour and a half. Today we were here for 3 hours.
Yeah.
But we did some major tree trimming.
Major trimming, yeah. So.
And then there was branches that had fallen down in the front yard, and they got moved to the back. So we cut them all up because the grass was starting to die.
So yeah. So here we are, supposed to be easing into this, and we're grabbing every big project we can, I guess. So I don't know. It turned out really well, and I know they're going to be very happy with it when they get out and start walking around seeing what we did. And that's pretty much going to be it for us for today. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.
Till the next line, peace. Goodbye.
What you doing, Messy?
I'm thinking about how much work I'm doing, and I'm not losing no weight. I don't get it.
What did we have for dessert last night?
Oh, we had cookie brownies with peanut butter, Reese's peanut butter cup ice cream with hot fudge topped on it.
Gee, I don't know why we're not losing weight.
Well, I only had a very small piece. I had like 3 or 4 bites, that was it. I might be like those girls that go to a restaurant and they have their big meal and then they order dessert and they take one bite of their dessert and then they push it away. That's why they're so skinny.
And they push it towards their husband to eat. So they got to keep them fat.